Ashley, what is another way that I can collect rental income if I wanted to leverage my business? So if you don't have the down payment, if you don't have a primary home, but you have a business, that's okay. Have you guys ever heard of a business line of credit? That's okay if you haven't. A business line of credit is a loan product that companies like banks are able to give you to leverage your business based off of your income and what you bring, and what you have as assets to your business. If you have vehicles, if you have equipment, if you have property, whatever that looks like in your arena. So Central Pacific Bank, the most that they're able to give right now for a business line of credit is $250,000. So they're going to give you and open you up a line of credit for $250,000, which you can use as cash. So this line is liquid. You're able to go ahead and purchase in cash a investment property that'll bring you $1,000 a month in rental income. Okay, so that's $12,000 a year. We're gonna use this just as a quick and dirty example of how to collect $1,000 a month each time you do this. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and now with a business line of credit, you're able to go ahead and pull the equity out of the investment property and get 100% of the value out of it. So we paid $250,000 in cash for this property. So now we pull out $250,000 cash from the BLOC, business line of credit. So now we have two properties that we purchased for $250,000, and they are both earning us $1,000 a month in rental income and both earning us $12,000 a year. So now we can go ahead and do the same thing, pull out another business line of credit, because investing, this is our business, right? Passive income is our business. Being a landlord is our business. Rentals are our business. So this is why we get a business line of credit. Okay? So then you just continue to do this over and over and over and over while you keep collecting all these income properties, keep collecting $1,000 a month, keep collecting $12,000 a year. If you just do this 9 times, even if you just do this 4 times, you'll collect $4,000 a month, extra $48,000 a year. If you want to break 6 figures though, go ahead and do this 9 times where you get $9,000 a month, and that leads to $108,000 a year in rental income. Tell me that's not cool. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Happy to answer. I love talking about passive income. Obviously, ask me any questions, hit the like button, double tap, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.